It's American Gun Chick and it's Gun Day Monday. What's up, guys? So I'm here in Columbia, South Carolina, and we're at USPSA. This will be my second match, and I'm kind of nervous and excited. But I'm mostly nervous because this is my second match, and there's a lot of rules, and there's a lot of targets, and there's a lot of thinking. It's different from tactical shooting. It's way different, and I don't want to start scanning and doing a 360 and then I get cued or something, or just move my feet and everyone's like, what the heck is she doing? So it's just a lot to remember and a lot not to remember. So let's see how it goes.
Ready. Stand by. I saw them both go in. Close, because the 180 is not only this way, it's up too.
Go gun up.
Yeah.
Everything has to stay down.
Yeah, it has to stay down, so keep an eye on
On the
that.
tactical shooting, I'm always I did my first stage, and everything was going good. You know, I was running the gun, and I got a few mics because you hear that ping, and you're like, ah, and you get all amped up, and you want to shoot all fast and crazy. So if I slow down just a little bit, then I'll get a little bit better hits, but I think it went pretty good. I got most of my hits, got the steal. I got the first steal. Most people didn't get the second steal, but I went to take a shot at the second steal because if you miss, you don't get a mic or anything. It's just if you get it, you get extra points. But when I was done, when I was in the middle of shooting, I had to reload, and I went gun up, and I went to reload and did all that and went back, and at the end they're like, hey, you can't go gun up. The 180 means in front of you and to here, but the 180 doesn't include up here. But from all my tactical training and all that stuff, when I'm done shooting, I go gun up. So I have to really slow down. When I go to do reloads, I have to slow down a little bit and think about that, because it's when you embed it in your head so much and then you just naturally do it and you're like, crap, I didn't mean to do it, sorry. So I gotta focus on that, but it was fun. It's going pretty good. My heart gets all beating all fast. And my good friend Mike Woodland from the MW Tactical YouTube channel invited me out to shoot the match with him and his girlfriend Beverly. It was Beverly's first official USPSA match as well. I'm wearing one of the hula skirts. Just holster. Still
4012.
4012.
dang it, that still screwed me up a little bit.
It gets everybody.
Because I went for the smaller steel.
Yep.
Screw that, just go for the bigger steel, and then once you get it, you start getting in the flow of it.
18 A's, 2 Charlies.
2 Charlies?
You said I'm up next, son.
Are you ready? Stand by. Delta Mike. Alpha Delta. Alpha Delta. You almost got it.
What I did is I shot the steel over there, and I was like, I'm gonna run over here and shoot him, like a cool technique thing, but he turned up too fast. So.
You always gonna get the white counter.
Slow down with this.
But if you'd have put 2 in the regular target, then it would keep it out.
I just bought
9mm.
Stand by.
Do it while I was in the army. Try to get that person under the pads.
Ready on 867. Got it. I got 2 Charlie. 2 Charlie. 2 Mike. 2 Mike. 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha. And the Charlie Delta. Charlie Delta. Paste them up.
Dude, I thought I shot good too, but I think it's like from so far away, you don't look at that A, and you're just looking at, you're shooting at the entire target. So what we do is, we just think, oh, as long as I get it on the target, like you shoot the target.
Michael Woodland is the last shooter.
And then you get Mike's. So I think since we're going low, aim a little bit higher, you know? Pulling the trigger a little bit.
1 second, Mike. Oh, you gonna leave me hanging?
Oh, I didn't see you.
1 second, Mike. Okay.
Get it, Mike.
$495. Got it. I got an Alpha Charlie. Alpha Charlie. 2 Charlie. 2 Charlie. Alpha Charlie. Alpha Charlie. And Alpha Charlie.
Planning out your stage is one of the most important steps to running these courses. As you will see, I completely missed shooting at these 2 targets right here.
That's what you ever been evicted?
What's that?
You ever been evicted?
Evicted from like my house or what?
From that chair.
I didn't know whose seat that was, so I just stole it. What's up, guys? So I'm here at a match and I met Bubba, and I kind of just wanted to record a little bit of him shooting and stuff. He's shooting with his feet because he was born without arms. He's got his gun holstered down here, and we're running the same gun, except for he's got better sights. Do you want to talk a little bit about yourself and tell him how you learned how to shoot with feet?
My neighbor, his name's Alan. He taught me how to shoot, and I've been shooting about 4 years.
Stand by. I was thinking, that's not too bad. You're finished. Unload, you're clear. If clear, hammer down. And holster. Range is clear.
So I just want to really quick say to everybody that if you have an excuse, you should just get rid of it, because there's no excuses. I mean, I'm out here, he's out here. What's your excuse? And if there's any doubt on Bubba's shooting, all clean shots. Great shooting, Bubba.
I was like, I called her and I was like, I gotta pull over. You know, so I was hurting.
That's a long gun.
Yeah, what? 9 hours.
If you're finished, unload so clear. It's clear, hammer down.
So we just finished the competition. We did our last one, and I think it went pretty good. I slowed down a little bit, so I was more accurate. Usually, when you hear that timer, you go crazy and you want to shoot all fast, and because it's fun and it looks cool. But I thought it was pretty good.
Well, I can actually say that she did better than what she's given herself credit for. Overall, the competition, she withstood, she fought through, she asked a lot of questions, and just check out the video that's about to come out in relation to her shooting her first USPSA competition match.
And this is the first time I ever complained about the heat. I never complain about the heat.
So, like I said, please go to m-wtactical.com, follow me on Instagram, but then also check out
American Gun Chic. And I just want to say thank you to Just Holster It for sending me these awesome holsters with my name on it. They're nice and sturdy. Use my code and I'll leave the link down below for my code, and you can get discounts and stuff. So thanks for inviting me out.
It was awesome.
So we gotta wait like an hour, and then we're gonna go check the computer and see how we did. And I don't know, I'll probably be down there somewhere, but we'll see.
You did awesome.
So thanks for watching. Go to justholsterit.com with the promo code AGC15 for all your holster needs. Want to see more? Check out an extended 20-minute video on today at patreon.com.